All right, we went out riding this weekend and had a little problem with the winch cable here. It broke on me. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put a new winch rope on it. I'm going to show you how to do this on this side by side. It's not that hard. Hardest part's going to get into it all, but we should be able to put it on pretty easy. Let me show you what we're doing here. All right, the winch is located behind this plate right here. You can see the broken cable inside. This is to the side of the winch where you can get to it. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of room in there. We can pop this out right quick. Take a look down in there. And you see there's the winch right there. There's not a lot of room. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to pop this plate off, pulling these four bolts out. Let's get that out of the way so we can see what we got going on. Okay, so this plate ended up being harder to get off than I thought. Thought it was a 15 millimeter, but the 15 kept slipping off of it, and I didn't want to strip them out. So I was able to feed the cable back through the line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just pull it out this way. I can get to the attachment point from this side over here. I can reach it up in here, and I'm going to pull this cable out and go from. Now the cable I got is a 50-foot cable. I stretched it out next to this one. Of course, there's a broken piece there, and it's about the same length. Now the difference, of course, is on this end is the cover is about 5 feet long, whereas this is only just a couple of feet long. So that means when it's rolled up on the winch, it's going to have more covering the cable. So that's going to help with the sun damage, which is probably what happened to this one. It got exposed to too much sun, gave it sun damage, caused a weak point, caused it to break. So we got it unwrapped. I've got to crawl under there and get it unhooked and hook the new one in. That's what I'm fixing to do now. All right, managed to get the cable back in there. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Had to do it the hard way because I couldn't get the flare lead off. I couldn't get the mounting plate off. So I just run it up in there, was able to wrap the cable around it and tie it off. So looking forward to an opportunity to try it out and make sure it works.